Alright class, let's do some math. First off, we will do addition. Dark Annie Bowser Jr. Did you just sneeze loudly?
Yes, I did, Mr. Max Kochanowicz Studios.
Dark Annie Bowser Jr. How dare you sneeze loudly in my class? If you need to sneeze, do it quietly. Anyways, let's get back to addition. So what is 667 plus 967? Dark Annie Bowser Jr. Did you just sneeze loudly again?
Yes, I did. I sneezed loudly again.
That is it. Go to Principal Lizzie's office right now.
So Dark Annie Bowser Jr., what brings you here to my office?
I sneezed loudly in Mr. Max Kochanowicz Studios' class.
Dark Annie Bowser Jr. How dare you sneeze loudly in Mr. Max Kochanowicz Studios' class? You know that sneezing loudly in class is a distraction to the students that want to learn. That's it. You are suspended. Go home right now.
Dark Annie Bowser Jr. We can't believe you sneezed loudly in Mr. Max Kochanowicz Studios' classroom and got suspended. You know sneezing loudly in class is a distraction to the students that want to learn.
That's it. You're grounded for 552 millenniums.
Go upstairs to your room right now. Or else we will send you to North Korea.
Yeah.